Happy Friday! So today is a Friday, June 26th, and it is 5:30 p.m. I realized I've never done a vlog in the evening or at nighttime to show you my evening and nighttime routine. So I'm excited for today because today's vlog is all about that. If you haven't been to my channel, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur, my tips and tricks for business. And today I am sharing with you my evening/night routine, and we're gonna start now at 5:30 because I just finished up some stuff and I was doing random things, but I'm ready to start sharing. Okay, so it's 5:30 right now. My evening usually starts around 6 to 7 depending on after dinner. Usually the very first things I do is obviously eat dinner, but before that I would try to clean up my space a little bit. So my desk is a little bit messy. I was just have some random stuff that I got today, and it's just stuff everywhere, such as like dishes and stuff, so I have to definitely clean that up. And other thing I did today was I did my video of my kind of like makeup essentials, so I still have that all set up over there and I have to clean that up. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you do. I'll link it up in the cards. And yeah, so first things first is to clean up this mess and put back the sofa over there, and so I can have a movie night tomorrow on Saturday. So let's get into this. So you saw I cleaned up the space and I think I'm ready and I'm done. So today is going to be a little different. I'm going to try doing a voiceover of my nighttime routine. So it's going to be something different and something new. So hopefully my voiceover isn't too bad. But normally on weekends I would probably watch a movie here. But today, since it's still a weekday, I do a little bit of something different and I'll definitely be sharing with you. But yeah, so let's get this little voiceover started. Hello! So the first thing I do is I will remove my makeup if I have makeup on that day. I'll make sure to link everything that I mentioned down below. I love this Bioderma Micellar water because it is super gentle on my dry and sensitive skin and it removes all the makeup that I need. I usually do it twice to make sure that I get as much makeup as I can before I cleanse. So usually I will cleanse in the shower, but today I'm showing you how I cleanse. I'm using this Glow Recipe cleanser. It's very gentle and nice to use, and then after that I will go straight to the shower and take a little shower. 5-minute showers are the best because it's super easy and super fast. Okay, so I just came out of the shower, and this part I don't think I should voice over because it's going to be a little bit more different. So I'm just going to talk to you about the stuff I use in the evening. So I'm going to clip my hair again, so the bags are on the way. So the first thing I pick up is a toner. So I've been doing a little more skincare than I normally do. I used to just use one product and only one. I used to only use a Clinique without this extra thing in here. It's just a normal cream that you see right here. As you can see, I'm almost done. That's why quarantine has also made me try different things with skincare. So I'm going to share with you my new skincare routine. So if you're interested in my old skincare routine, it was basically just this bottle. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm using this toner here. This is the Belif. I've heard good things about it because it's like a Korean brand, and I just put a little bit on and I just pat it on my face. Just like that. So sometimes my skin can be a little more crazy than normal days, but for today, thank God it's a little bit better than it was in the beginning of this week. So the next thing I'll be using is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% and B5. This is a super affordable product. I think it was like less than $10, and usually I just drip a little bit on every parts of my face and I just massage it in very nicely. It's like almost like a serum, but it's more like It's like a really sticky, it's not sticky, it just feels a little gooey, but it's not sticky at all. And then I just put it all over my face to give my face some hydration. And using these products definitely does make a difference from what I've seen after weeks and weeks. I think I've been doing this sort of routine for like 1.5 months so far, and I've been loving it. Just in case you are wondering, I actually cannot see the camera, so I can kind of see myself, but not really. But yeah, so I have that. And next thing I usually use is some sort of eye cream. I have this Vichy one that I got from an influencer box. I just want to finish this up before trying other things. So this is what I've been using. So I switched between this one right here and a Belif one. So when I purchased the toner that I shared with you in the beginning, this toner right here, it came with a bunch of like moisturizing stuff, and it also came with this Belif moisturizing eye balm. I only use this when I feel like my eyes are extra dry. If it's normal, I would just go back to this one so I can finish that off. And I'll make sure to link all the products I talked to you down below, just in case you're interested on checking any one of the products that I've been using. So last but not least is a moisturizer. I've been using this new moisturizer that I feel like does make a really big difference, and I've seen a lot of good things about it, especially on TikTok. So this is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. I believe a lot of people are purchasing the moisturizing cream, which I heard is a really good cream, but I also heard that the night cream was good, and it's more thicker and it's renewing, and it does help with any times when my face kind of breaks out and then I need some help. So I'm just going to put that on, and if you hear any background noise, I think my mom is taking a bath, so please excuse that. And it's like a super thick cream that I just like to massage into my skin. And yeah, so that's basically my routine. It's nothing too special. I know a lot of people can do like lots and lots of cream, which I am very impressed. I don't even know if I can remember to do all those steps ever. So yeah, and last but not least, for my lips, I'm just using this Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. I got it in Influencer also, so it was free. I think it's okay. It does its job, but it does dry pretty fast, so I definitely do need to reapply this or something else afterwards. But yeah, so that is my skincare routine for the evening, and let's get back to the voiceover. So back to the voiceover. So this is what I do in the evening, and not a lot of people know about this. It's just usually something I do on the side as a hobby, so I don't really show it in my social media that much. But I've been getting back into pen paling, which is super nice, and I just met some creative people online, and that is what I'm doing right now, replying. I also do a lot of journaling, which is like creating spreads with vintage stuff such as washi tape, ephemeras, and other things. And I've also been doing a lot of watercoloring, which is super fun. As you can see here, I'm basically doing everything. Normally sometimes I do everything all at once, but sometimes I just do one night. I might be just replying to another, I might be just journaling, or I just might be watercoloring, but I'm sharing with you all of it because I want to show you all the things that I could be doing during the evening. So I've also learned that watercolor is something you kind of need to learn, and I've been more nice to myself and just going with the flow, because normally I want to perfect something before I share with anyone, but now I know that you just have to do whatever you want, and eventually you'll just start growing. So that's super nice to know. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing on the side. Other than doing these things at evening, sometimes I will just be on my phone. I'll just be messaging, texting, finishing off random stuff. I do have a lot of accounts, and other than that, I can try to read. I try to want to read more, but sometimes journaling and all that stuff comes in hand. And one more fun thing that I normally do is I actually play video games. I play this game called PUBG Mobile. I've always loved shooting games when I was younger. My mom didn't really let me play that often, and so now that I found a new game in the last year, I've been playing this a lot. I haven't played that it as much as I used to, but that's totally fine. It's just something I can do when I feel like it. And usually that I go to bed pretty late sometimes, but I've been trying to do it, try to sleep earlier, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, thank you for watching.